Hey guys, uh, I have changed the angle on my Izula. It used to be a 30-degree angle, now it's 25-degree angle on the edge. And last Sunday I was out with friends barbecuing and I let them use my Izula. And of course they turned the meat on the grill with this knife, and somewhere in the middle of that they probably cut something also, and the edge from this point on is not sharp anymore. Um, you probably rubbed it on steel or maybe a plate. So it's sharp up to here, and then it just slides. This part still cuts, and this part, so up to, well, up to here. From here on to the tip, it's not sharp anymore. Oh, it'll still cut stuff, but it's not razor sharp anymore. So it's rolled a bit. Now I have a little microscope that it's a 45 times magnifying lens actually, and I can't really see anything on it, but I know what I can feel on the paper and on the shaving part. The bottom part is also not razor sharp, but that one still slices paper. Now, I didn't do anything to this knife yet, so I'm just gonna strop it a few times. I did not put a secondary bevel on the knife after I sharpened it. So it's a clean 25-degree edge. And also that part is still doing okay now, better than it did before. So it'll cut paper, it won't just slide over it. The bottom part, no problem. And it's still not shaving. So I guess I could just put a little bit more effort into it. Also from being from having mustard on it and being washed and let to dry, it kind of got a patina, but just dropping it, patina went away. No rust though, just a nice patina. But like I said, from stropping it, patina went away really, really quick. Okay. And the top part still slides. But it's still better than it was before. And now it shaves. The straight part of the edge shaves. So good on that. And I was thinking just to see how fast I could restore it. This is the hone I have from Kali. I just put some paracord on it. It sits here in the sheath and just makes for quicker access. Also, I used to keep the sharp part in the sheath, but I said, you know, this is more practical for me. So, let me just find the angle and give it a couple of swipes. Okay. Still not perfect, but better. Now, a lot of people will say that stropping an edge will actually round it off and it's not good. I like it. And, well, still have to work on the tip just a bit. And for that, I'm afraid my skills aren't good enough to get the nice edge, and I don't really have a fine stone. All I have is my ceramic stone of the DC4, and maybe a nice, fine, small stone would be much better here. But I really want to get the hang of this hone. I've been using it with my trapper. I've been using it with my Nordic drop point hunter knife, also with my ESEE 4. Okie dokie. Clean. And that's because I changed the angle on the hone. So I changed the angle on the edge. I didn't go on the edge like this, straight on it. I kind of went with the hone a bit tilted. But you can see it was really nice and clean. And I am a fan of secondary bevels, micro secondary bevels. They make the edge last a bit longer, help with chips, and also well, will not affect the performance of the edge that much. I mean, it all comes down to what are you really using the knife for. Clean cut. With the talking and everything. If I would have made the video, it probably would have went much faster, because I would have not tried to keep it towards you. I would have focused more on it. But really, that's how fast it goes. Like I said, this has a 25-degree angle on it, and now it shaves, of course. Bottom part more. The tip a bit, not great, but it'll take off hairs. Of course, if you push harder, it will shave. That's not shaving anymore, that's more ripping the hair out. So that fast, and I wouldn't have really need to use the strop. Maybe you could see that in my ESEE 4 video. Just use the hone and a couple of swipes until you get the edge, really the edge, really the burr. And you can also deburr it on a piece of wood or a pencil. That'll help. I just wanted to share this quick blade maintenance tip with you guys. Have a great evening. It's night already, but maybe you're watching this in the evening.